in a bowl, put 2 eggs. Ganyan lang. Okay. Oops. Okay, sorry. Okay, ganyan. And another one. I'll get another one. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Okay, then mix. After that, mix mo lang. Mix. So, after ng egg, milk, then flour. Hindi ko nakunan yung milk na nilagay ko sa paglagay ko. Ganun lang. Mix mo lang yan. And then, baking powder. Ganun lang. I-mix mo lang ng todo. Charot. And then, 12 cups of white sugar. Okay, ganun. Mix mo lang. Mix well. And then, pinch of salt. Like that. Then, add cooking oil. Then, mix well again. So, next, food coloring. Naserbahan ko ng food coloring. So, next time, maliit lang. Yan na! Charan! Charan! Ganon. Okay? So, heat cooking oil in a pan. Ganon. 1 scoop. And then, pag nag-bubbly na siya, i-flip mo lang. Yan. Flip mo lang yan. Tapos, lagyan mo ng margarine. And sprinkle it with sugar. Okay? Gusto ko sanang i-fold siya. Kaso, hindi mo work eh. Yan na. Na-fold ko na te. Ayan. And, maraming salamat po. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung video ko. Bye-bye!